Hey guys, so I achieved these results on air dried hair. If you want to see how, keep on watching. Now, this is my hair completely air dried. Well, for the most part, the front is completely dry. The back is about 95% dry, so I'm going to start on the front of my hair. I normally don't, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to start on the front of my hair because I don't feel like waiting any longer. So by the time I get to the back, my hair should be completely dry. So what I'm going to do right now is just kind of get this part a little straighter, and then I'm gonna detangle my hair again. Maybe I should let me separate it and then detangle it in two sections instead of that entire section like I did. Alright guys, so it is completely detangled. So now I'm going to start the process. I am so nervous, like oh my goodness. I'm nervous because again, I did this before in the past and it was not successful. But these are the gold standards from TTO. Drop my brush, and this is the detangling brush that I was using from them. Let's get started. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to film this part on camera and then I'm gonna do the rest off camera. Just because no one has time to be sitting here waiting for me to do my entire head on camera. So we're gonna start with this, and then once I finish this section, I'll come back and reveal everything to you guys. Oh guys, I'm so nervous. Okay, take your time, take your time. I also didn't use any product on my hair. I kind of wanted to do exactly how she did it. Ooh, look at that. So I just shampooed and deep conditioned my hair, but I didn't use any products. Didn't put any leave-in conditioner in my hair, which I normally do because it works as like my heat protectant. But I decided to do no product at all, just to see how, you know, my hair would turn out. Ooh, look at this shine. You guys see it? Ooh. Not to shine on my face, because when I got close, ooh, my face was shining too. But look at that. Uh-oh. So you can. So these flat irons are the bomb, guys. You guys have to get it. I know they're doing a Black Friday sale, so definitely check them out. Again, I'll have their video link below. And I'll actually put a link to their website as well. And follow them on Instagram so that you can see what the actual Black Friday deals are. But you know, this is amazing. Blow dried, well, air dried hair. Like what? Next time, if I do this next time, because I do plan on getting braids, but I'll probably air dry my hair in a stretch state. I just didn't feel like waiting So once my hair dried a little bit, I took it out the ponytails and let it finish drying because it was taking longer to dry while it was still in the ponytails, because the hair on the inside wasn't getting the hair. So if I was to do this, like wash my hair at night and then do it in the morning, I could probably do that. So that will probably be a way for me to reduce heat, excess heat on my hair by, you know, stretching my hair first before I do it. This is amazing. Look at my goodness. Because you know how people are always talking about the blow dry step is the most important step in a for a silk press. Clearly that's not the case, like, at all. It's all about the tool. Alright guys, so I'm at 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off camera, but as you can see, it is doing a great job and it's straightening my hair. So I will be back in a little bit. Alright guys, so as you can see, the first section is done. And it actually didn't even take that long, to be honest. So one section down, 3 more to go. I will come back once all the sections are complete. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. Hey guys, so this is actually day 2 of my hair being straightened, air dried hair. I didn't get to film my hair right after I did it, and then the next day I had something to do, and I literally was not able to film the next day. So sorry that I'm holding the camera like this, but anyway, I decided to do this based on the Fatima on Instagram. She's the brand ambassador for TTO Share, which are the flat irons that I was using in this video. I'm gonna link her video down below so you can watch her straighten her hair on air dry hair, and she is a professional stylist. So go check out her results, and I'm really liking this. Again, I will probably stretch my hair completely and not let it air dry like I did, because I was just trying to be fast and I didn't want to wait. I will let my hair stay in like the 4 sections and the 4 ponytails and let everything completely air dry, so that my ends will be in a stretched state and they won't have to shrink up so much, and I won't have to, you know, tuck through my ends. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you stay positive and always smile. I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye, guys.